Hello boys and girls from Lavai, I hope you're fine. I'm going to show you how to do this beat. You can do it with your mommy, with your daddy, or with brothers and sisters, and I'm going to show you what will you need to do it. 1. You have to paint with yellow, with color yellow, all the white circle. Then you draw black lines with color black in the yellow circle. Two, you paint with yellow the small circle. 3, you draw a mouth, the eyes, and the nose. 4, with glue, you have to paste the small circle that is the face from the bee to the big circle. 5, you have to paste with the glue again the wings from the bee, one in each side of the body. 6, in the tube, you have to paste the bee. 7, with the scissors, be careful with the scissors, you have to cut the antennas of the bee. And you paste them like this. 8, you have to do with the scissors 2 holes in the back of the bee. So this is the bee. Now you can have one like me. And I hope you like it, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye and a lot of kisses. And I hope you are happy these days at home. Bye!